All right, here we go with one more short little video. In a previous video, I taught you how to convert from a mixed number to an improper fraction, and also how to convert from an improper fraction back to a mixed number. If you missed that video, that might be worth watching. Otherwise, here are a few practice problems to test out your abilities and skills on conversion from mixed numbers to improper fractions. Good process would be to go ahead and pause the video, write these problems down, make your conversions, do the work, show your work, and then restart the video and compare with mine. So please do that. I'll see you back here in a few minutes. All right, so we're back. How'd you do? How did you do? I always think this is the easiest one, the easiest conversion to make, because we go around the circle, multiply, and add. So I'm going to multiply 4 times 4 and add 3, and I'm going to keep that denominator. 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 plus 3 is 19. So I ended up with 19 fourths. There is the improper fraction version of 4 and 3/4. They equal the same thing. Okay, the important thing to know, we're converting, we're not changing anything. Let's go through the same process right here, starting with the denominator. Multiply by the whole number, add the numerator, and then keep that denominator the same. So it's equal to 2 times 6 plus 1, and we keep that all over 2. And the order of operations determines that these will automatically happen first, and then we add to that product. We don't go 6 plus 1 and then times it, multiply it by 2. We do not do that. So 6 times 2, 12. Add 1 gives us 13, and we keep that denominator. Boom. Now going backwards from an improper fraction to a mixed number can seem a little more complicated, but we just simply ask the question, how many 2's fit into 11? We literally just do the division problem. This is 11 divided by 2, which makes 5. 2 times 5 is 10. And how many left over? The leftover is the numerator, and we keep the 2. Just like we did up here, we keep the denominator. So we just do the division problem, top divided by bottom. We take the whole number that we get, and then the leftovers. Whole numbers, then the leftover, and the denominator. Whole number, leftover, you might call that the remainder in elementary school. It's the leftover, and then we keep that denominator from the first one. So let's do that here. We know that we're going to have a 5 on the bottom. 21, how many 5's fit into 21? How many 5's go in there without going over? And the answer is 4, and we can prove that by going 4 times 5 equals 20. But I would go over if I thought 5 of them fit there, because they don't. That's too much. So 4 5's go there, with how many left over to get to 21? 1. So do the division. How many whole numbers, how many denominators fit into the numerator? And then whatever's left over is the numerator of the mixed number. So there we go. Couple of practice problems go in each direction. Hopefully our answers matched. Congratulations. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Please stay tuned.